PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Reading, Pennsylvania provides residential and commercial customers with heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services. Our commercial HVAC company installs and repairs all major brands of heating and cooling systems. Call our commercial HVAC company today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is a commercial HVAC? Commercial HVAC involves heating and cooling large buildings like businesses, restaurants, rental properties, hospitals, and schools. Commercial HVAC is far larger, more powerful, and more sophisticated than domestic HVAC. What is the life of a commercial HVAC system? The average life expectancy of commercial HVAC systems is 15 to 20 years, assuming recommended maintenance is followed. What is your service area for the Reading, Pennsylvania service office? Our local commercial HVAC services have served Reading, Leesport, Garfield, Burnville, North Heidelberg, Brownsville, Robisonia, Wernersville, Mountain, Temple, Laureldale, Penside, Rifton, Shillington, Baumstown, Birdsboro, Scarlett's Mill, Plowville, Reinholds, Swartsville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Reading, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC service office located? We are located at 400 Washington Street, number 109, Reading, Pennsylvania 19601. Our phone number is 610-672-3044. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Washington-ST-Reading-HVAC-Service.